We're going to be comparing the Babyliss Pro to the Defender razor. I encourage you to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to talk about some of the pros and cons for both of these, so hopefully you can make an informed decision of which one you want to purchase for head shaves. Alright, so let's get right into it. I'm going to do this half of my head with the Babyliss, and then we're going to do this half of my head with the razor. We're going to turn it on. It is kind of loud. I might put it on mute after a few seconds. With this one, you do want to it's almost like a straight shave. You want to pull your skin back as you're shaving, and then you'll see here very quickly how long it takes.
Perfect.
Okay, so I'm only going to take it that far because that's honestly how annoying it is. Like, you can see how much effort it took to just get that much of the hair like right down to the skin. It literally takes me like almost a half an hour to get my whole head with this thing. So we're just going to stop there. If that doesn't bother you and you're all about, you know, saving money in the long run, then this is the one for you. For me, this is probably going to be the last time I use it for a head shave. Okay, so very quickly, I'm just going to put some pre-shave soap on here. This is from a company called Proraso. You can get this from Amazon. I'll put the link below. It's a nice, creamy pre-shave soap. Then I've already warmed up my shave soap here. This is from a company called Les Industries Groom. It's a very hard shaving cream, and it lathers really well, as you can see. And now I'm going to go over the same spot that I did with the Babiless just to show you guys how much better this does. You can see how pretty much instantly it's taken all that hair off. It is no muss, no fuss, and just very, very quick. I can shave my head with this process within 5 minutes. I'm not going to put you guys through that. Really, the whole idea here was just to kind of show you the difference. So I'm going to finish shaving my head. If you're looking for some good aftershave balm, try this Proraso. I'll put that as a link in the description below as well. And now let's get into the pros and cons. One of the pros for me with the Babyliss is there is less mess. Everything gets captured inside here, so when you open it up, you'll have all your hairs kind of inside there, and you can just there's a little brush that comes with that, and you can just brush it into the garbage. This is also a dry shave. You don't use any shave gel or anything like that, so there's really no mess in the bathroom when you use this to shave your head. That being said, you also don't need to use any shave soap, pre-shave, aftershave, anything like that, so you do end up saving a lot of money on products, which in the end kind of ends up paying for this product that is roughly $100 US. This also gives as close of a head shave as using a razor, which is great, but I do find in terms of the cons, it takes way too long with this thing to actually get a close head shave, and by the end of it, your head feels really tacky. It is a close shave, but I find I just get this like really rubbery feel that I don't get with the Defender razor. I would say if you're going to be using the Babyliss Pro, you probably don't want to let your hair grow for more than 3 or 4 days, otherwise it gets exponentially harder and takes exponentially longer to shave your head. Now, for the pros for the Defender razor, is a really good razor. I have not cut myself. This is the extra sensitive one. They have different sensitivity options, and I found with this one, I've never cut my head with it. It's just a smooth shave. So obviously this is way cheaper than the Babyliss. I think they go for $9.99, and then you buy cartridges, and you have to keep buying cartridges, and of course you're buying pre-shave soap, shave soap, and aftershave soap. So it does end up being more expensive in the long run than the Babyliss. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. So I mean, you just gotta kind of weigh your pros and cons. What's more important to you, the amount of time that it takes, how it feels on your head, or how much money you're spending in the long term. Now they say these blades are good for about 12 head shaves. I've only used it about 3 times so far. Another con, of course, is that it is way messier to clean up when you're using all these pre-shave soap, aftershave soap, all this stuff, water, and things like that. It is messier in the bathroom, so there is definitely cleanup when you're using this style of razor. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.